I just found a YouTube channel that has racked up over 150 million views, and with that, managed to gain nearly 1 million subscribers. And what's even crazier is that these massive numbers were achieved by simply posting faceless videos about extinct species from prehistoric times, where nearly every video they post gains millions of views with ease. But here's where it gets even more interesting. This niche became so successful for them that they launched 7 more channels in different languages, and all of them are pulling in millions of views as well. Now, the two most important things that make these videos stand out are the script and the visuals. They use engaging scripts that keep viewers hooked and significantly boost watch time. And for visuals, they mainly rely on stock footage, which gives the videos a clean and professional look. But here's the catch. Creating videos like these manually can take up a lot of time. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to start a channel in this exact niche from start to finish, using AI to automate 90% of the work. I will show you how to create high-quality videos that are just as good, if not better, than the original ones that they are posting. And the best part about this is that you don't need any prior experience or a big budget to get started. So let's get right into the first step of this video, which is creating a perfectly branded channel. Since first you need a channel name, head over into ChatGPT and ask it to give you 10 channel name ideas that are about dinosaurs and extinct creatures. Once that's done, just click Generate, and ChatGPT will give you 10 name ideas that perfectly match the niche. Alright, now that you've created the channel names, you need to create a channel description. So ask ChatGPT to create an SEO-optimized, engaging, and human-sounding description. Then choose the name you like, copy it, and paste it into the prompt below, so ChatGPT knows which channel it's for. Once that's done, just click Generate, and just like that, ChatGPT will give you a human and engaging description that's customized for the channel name you chose. And as always, you can find all of the prompts that I'm using in my Telegram channel linked below. Okay, now you're still missing the channel logo, so now I'll show you how you can create a logo that will really blow your mind. In the same chat in ChatGPT, ask it to create a detailed logo image prompt based on the channel name and description that you generated above. But for the best results, copy the exact prompt that I'm using. Alright, now click Generate. And just like that, ChatGPT will give you a customized logo prompt that includes details that are perfectly tailored to your name and description. So now that you have the image prompt, make sure to copy it and then head over to a tool called Leonardo AI. Once you are in, open the text to image feature on the left side and watch closely. First, make sure to set the image preset as Leonardo Phoenix since it gives the best results. Below that, in the image dimensions, make sure to set it as 1 by 1 since that's the logo format. Once that's done, just paste the logo prompt into the prompt section and then just click Generate. As always, using these settings, the generation process will last around 30 seconds, and once it's done, as you can see, we have just created some insane logo examples that are really good. I mean, they have incredible details and are high quality, which will make the channel look more professional. Now just go through the images you have generated, then find the logo that you like the most, and then just download it using the download button below the logo. Now, if you've been watching my videos for a longer time, all of you know how to create a YouTube channel. So simply upload the logo that you have created, then enter the channel name. Choose a unique channel handle, and below that, paste the description that you created. And that's pretty much it. This process is very easy. Now that you have created a perfectly branded channel, let's head over and create our video script. But since the script is the most important part of videos like this, I have created the perfect script prompt that will allow you to create a banger script. So watch closely. To create the script, open ChatGPT and ask it to create a highly engaging, unique, and emotionally compelling YouTube narration script. Right next to that, you can adjust how many characters to include. 8,000 is the maximum, but you can lower the amount if you want a shorter script. Also, this prompt is fairly long and it will always give you a unique and original script. With it, you can create as many videos as you like, so make sure to copy the exact prompt that I'm using for the best results. Alright, once you enter the exact prompt, just click Generate and the generation process will start. This process will take a bit more time since it's a longer script, but once it's done, as you can see, we have just created a script that is just perfect. It has viral elements in it, it's unique, engaging, and it's not just a random robotic script. This one has emotions in it, which will make it more interesting for the viewers to watch. So now that you have created the perfect script for your video, you are finally ready to create your first video in this niche. And to do that, I found an insane AI tool that will do everything for us. The tool I'm talking about is called Focal ML, so go ahead and open it. Once you are in, to start off, first you need to create a new project, so click on the New Project button. Now, as you can see, you can simply ask Focal to create any video you like just by using a prompt, which is pretty insane. But since we have already created a viral script, go ahead and click on the Start from a Script button. Basically, now you need to paste the script into the script section. So first, head over into ChatGPT and copy the entire script that you've created. Next, head back into Focal, paste the script into the script section, and just like that, you'll be ready for the next step. Once you have entered your script, before moving forward, you can also adjust the language below. Here you'll find many languages, but I'll leave the language as English. Alright, once that's done, click Continue, and a new tab will open up for you. To start off, you need to select a visual style for your video. You'll have multiple great styles to choose from, but for the video we're creating, make sure to set it as photorealistic. Below that, you can customize the aspect ratio of your video. Basically, you can even create a short-form video with this tool, but for a long-form video, set it as 16:9. Next, you can also add captions if you like, but I'll set this feature as none for now. And to touch everything up, you can also customize the voice precision, which I'll set as exact, since our script is already really solid. Once everything is set, to create the video, click on the Create Video button, and the video creation process will begin. Now basically, the whole video is being generated automatically for you, and while this might take up to an hour, it's totally worth it, and I'll explain why shortly. But first, let's wait for it to finish. Alright, now the video is finally ready, and it took around 30 minutes, but the beauty of this is that the whole video is done and you can download it right away. But let me show you how you can make the video even better. So to start off, click on the Edit button, and the video editor will open for you. First, if we zoom out the video timeline, you'll see that all of the video assets are already generated, which is perfect. But another cool thing is, if you open the characters menu on the left side, you'll see that we have two characters in our story, which are basically two different species of dinosaurs. Now you can edit these characters however you like, but for this video, I'll leave everything as it is. Okay, now watch closely. If you head over into the video timeline and zoom in a little bit, you might find some parts in the video where there are these small gaps between the voiceover. Basically, the gaps are these short pauses that can make the video feel a bit slow-paced and boring. So to fix that, you need to shorten the length of each video clip where the gap is, and then drag the next video right next to it, including the voiceover below. This process is very easy, and it will make your video much better and more interesting. Just follow what I'm doing right here and you'll be good to go. Just to save some time, I've done the same adjustments across the entire video, and as you can see, now there are no more gaps in the video. Now before we move on to the next step, let's head over into the settings menu on the left side. Here you can change the style of the images. This will adjust how your visuals look depending on the style you choose. Below that, you can customize the generation model of the images, and there are multiple great models to choose from. Next, you can select how many images per generation you want to create, but you can leave it as 4 for more choices. Below that, you can choose the video model for your animations, which I'll set as Kling 1.6 Pro for the best results. Then in the voice model section, you can customize the voice model, but I'll leave this as it is for now. And finally, you can add captions to the video, but we'll handle that later on. Alright, now that everything is ready, let's edit some parts of the video. Now, let's say that in some sections, you don't like how a video turned out. For example, this one. To change it, simply click on it, and on the left side, you can either enter a custom animation prompt or reuse the same one that was used before. Now in this case, I'll keep the same prompt, so the only thing you need to do is click the button right next to it, and the generation process will start. And once it's done, as you can see, the old video got replaced with the new one, and it's really insane how easy that process was. Alright, now I noticed that the video right next to it doesn't look that good. So to change it, same as before, just click on it and then simply click on the Go button. Now a new video is being generated again, and once it's done, as you can see, the old clip is replaced with the updated version. And now it looks so much better. Now you need to do this same process and regenerate all of the videos that you don't like, which is a very easy process. Once you're done, you can also do the same for the voiceover as well. If you click on any voiceover section below, on the left side, you can either change the entire script of that part, or you can leave it the same and just regenerate the exact same voiceover if it came out bad. And once the generation is done, the old voiceover will be replaced with the new one automatically, which is super helpful. So now you can go through and find the voiceover parts that didn't come out right, if there are any, and regenerate them in the same way. Once you regenerate all of the videos that came out bad, you're ready for the next step. Now, as you can see, some scenes in the video take too much time, and that part might be a bit boring. To fix that, go back to the media menu, and here open the new scene feature. Now here, as you can see, you need to enter an image prompt of the scene you want to create. In my case, I'll ask it to generate an image of a prehistoric land that has tall trees. Once that's done, just click generate, and as easy as that, 4 images will be generated for you. Now that you have the images ready, you need to choose the one you like the most and then click on it. Now, below the image, you'll find the animation feature, which you'll use to animate the image. So click on it, and as you can see, here you need to enter an animation prompt. In my case, I'll ask it to add wind through the trees and a light animation to the image. Once that's done, just click on the go button, and the generation process will start. This will take around 1 minute, and once it's done, as you can see, we've just created a new scene that looks perfect. Now to add the scene into the full video, head over into the timeline below and using the cut tool, cut half of the scene that you think is too long. In my case, it's this one. Once that's done, head back into the media section, then select the new scene and just drag it down into the timeline. And as you can see, now we've added a new scene in our video, and it blended in nicely. Now I noticed another scene in my video that is just too long, so let's fix that one as well. Same as before, just go to the media menu and open the new scene feature. For this scene, I'll also ask it to generate an image of a jungle, but this time a bit more darker, since it will match the script. Okay, now once the prompt is ready, simply click Generate, and 4 brand new images will be generated for us. So same as before, just pick the image you like and then open the animation feature. Here I'll enter a similar animation prompt as before that will animate the movement of the trees and the light. Once the prompt is inserted, just click on the button right next to it, and the generation process will start. And once it's done, as you can see, we've just created a new scene again. Now, same as before, just cut the scene that you want to shorten in the timeline and then drag down the new scene that you've created. But if you have blank spaces like I have right here, simply drag all of the assets to the left side, and that's pretty much it. Alright, now let me show you some other features that will be very useful to you. First, head over into the media section where you'll find the speech feature. Using this feature, you can create completely new voiceover sections and add them into your video, which is very handy. Then another great feature that you'll use is the sound effects feature. Using this feature, you can create sound effects by only using simple prompts, which will make your video more engaging and professional. For example, in the first part of the video, I have a scene of a prehistoric jungle. So in the prompt box, I'll ask it to create a sound effect of leaves moving, light flickering, basically a nature sound effect. Once that's done, just click Generate, and as easy as that, the sound effect will be created for you. So now, let's see how it turned out. As you can see, we've created a sound effect of nature, which is perfect. Now to apply it, simply drag it down below the first scene in the timeline, and then just copy-paste it until the end so that it covers the whole scene, and that's pretty much it. Now let's create a few more sound effects so you can see how it's done. Using the same feature, I'll write in the prompt box to create a sound effect of a tree cracking and falling down to the ground, since I have a scene just like that. So now, once that's done, just click Generate, and the sound effect will be created. Now, same as before, just drag down the sound effect below the scene you want it to match, and that's pretty much it. Now, since we also have dinosaurs in our video, let's create some sound effects for them. So, using the same feature, just write that you want to create a powerful dinosaur roar that echoes through the prehistoric forest. Once that's done, just click Generate. And just like that, the sound effect will be created. And now finally, just drag down the sound effect into the timeline below. And that's it. A simple yet very effective process. Now to add the final touch to the video, let's head over and add some background music. So first, head into the media menu and open the music feature. Here, you just need to enter the type of music you want to search for. In my case, I'll search for ancient style tracks. Once that's done, just click search, and all of the tracks in that style will appear. Now, simply find the ones that you like and add them to your media library using the button on the right side. Once that's done, head back back into the media menu, and here you'll find the songs you've added. Now to add the music to your video, just select it and then drag it into the timeline below, and that's pretty much it. Now just make sure to add background music throughout the whole video, which you can do the exact same way, and it's extremely easy. And finally, to touch up everything, just head over into the video settings and here set the captions feature as standard. And just like that, captions will be added throughout the video, and with that, your video will be ready. Now listen, before you export the video, make sure that you have done all of the steps. So make sure to add the right animations to the video, and also make sure to add all of the sound effects for the whole video. And just to save time, as you can see, I have done the same for the entire video, and yours should look similar to what I have right here. So now that you have finished all of the steps, let's finally export the video. To do that, just click on the export button, then set the video title if you want to, and then just click publish. And just like that, the exporting process will start. This will take around 1 minute, and once it's done, just head over into the export menu, and here you will find your exported video. To download it, simply open the video, click on the 3 dots on the right side, then just click download, and that's it. Now that we have created the entire video, let's finally see how it came out.
Close your eyes. Imagine the world without cities, without noise, without even the whisper of human voices. Now go back. Not 100 years, not 1,000, but over 70 million. What you find there isn't just the past. It's a realm of giants, hunters, shadows, and survival so brutal, it reshaped the bones of history. The ground trembles beneath your feet. Not from machines, but from something alive, something massive. A single tree, taller than a 10-story building, shudders, then falls. Not from the wind, but from the brush of a tail as long as a school bus. The creature it belongs to steps into view, and the world seems to shrink around it. This is Dreadnoughtus. Its name means fear nothing, and truly, it didn't.
This is just a short sample of the full video, and as you can see, it turned out really good. So now that your video is ready, let me show you how to upload it properly to give it the best chance to reach a wider audience. First, open the YouTube studio and start by uploading the video that you've just made. Alright, now while the video is being processed, you'll notice that you're still missing the video title and description. So let me show you how to create them. Now head over into the same chat in ChatGPT where you created the video script, and first ask it to create a unique, engaging, and highly hooking video title based on the script above, but make sure to copy the entire prompt that I'm using. Once that's done, just click Generate. And as easy as that, ChatGPT will give you the perfect video title ideas that will match your video script. Next, to create the video description, ask ChatGPT to create a humane, engaging, and SEO-optimized video description based on the video script above. Once that's done, again, just click Generate, and just like that, ChatGPT will give you a description that is perfectly tailored for your script. And you'll also notice it has a lot of keywords in it and hashtags below, which will help the video get into the algorithm. Alright, now that you have created everything, scroll up and copy the video title that you like the most. Once that's done, head back into the YouTube studio, and here just paste the title into the video title section. Next, head over into ChatGPT, and here copy the video description that you have made. Then, same as before, head back into the YouTube studio and paste it into the video description section. Now once that's done, scroll down, and here you will see that you are still missing the video thumbnail. So let me show you how you can create one. So now, head over into ChatGPT again, and here ask it to create a thumbnail image prompt based on the channel description and the name that you have chosen above. Then just click Generate, and just within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a perfect thumbnail image prompt that you will use to create the thumbnail. So once that's done, just copy the prompt that you have created, then head over into Leonardo AI. Once you are in, here leave the preset as Leonardo Phoenix just as before, but down in the image dimensions, make sure to set the dimensions as 16 by 9. Once that's done, just paste the image prompt that you have created, and then finally just click Generate. This process will take around 30 seconds, same as before, and once it's done, as you can see, we have just created the perfect thumbnail examples that really match our video. Now you just need to choose the one that you like the most, open it, then just download it using the download button below it. Once that's done, done, head back into the YouTube studio, and here upload the thumbnail into the thumbnail section, and that's pretty much it. Now once you are done with that, scroll down and make sure to set that the video is not made for kids. Then scroll down a bit further, and in the altered content section, make sure to set the answer as no. Next, just below that, you will find the video tags section, which is very important. So now let me show you how you can create video tags that are fully SEO optimized. To create the tags, we will use a tool called vidIQ, which is specifically made for YouTube SEO optimization. So once you are in, open the coach section on the left, and then open the AI coach feature. Once that's done, here ask the AI coach to create fully SEO optimized video tags for the prehistoric extinct niche, and then make sure to include the video title that you have chosen into the prompt. After that, just hit generate, and as easy as that, the AI coach will give you a list of the most trending video tags that are based on your niche and the video title. Now as you can see, there are more tags than needed, so make sure to copy only the first half of the tags that are given. Once that's done, just head back into the YouTube studio, and here paste the tags into the video tags section, and that's it, a very easy process. Now since the video is fully processed, if we head over into the checks section, here you can see that the video doesn't include any copyright material, and it's fully monetizable. So finally, head over into the visibility section, set the video as public, and then just click publish. And congrats, you have just uploaded your first video in this niche that's ready to blow up. Now before we wrap up, here's a quick look at Focal's pricing. First, you can try it free, but exports will be locked. Then the starter plan is just $10 a month. Great if you're starting out. The standard plan is $30 per month with 4,000 credits, and the pro plan gives you 15,000 credits for $100 per month, which is perfect for scaling up. Now it's all up to you. You've got everything you need to launch your YouTube channel in this niche. Just remember, it takes real effort and consistency to make it work. So keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next one.